Today we're featuring a 2013 Honda Accord EXL. It's got 45,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit. It's got a clean Carfax. It is a Carfax one owner. It's cyber gray metallic in color. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. And it's got the turn signals, in the side mirror here. Push button entry on the door handle. Driver's side's in good shape. The rear of the vehicle looks good. It is equipped with backup camera. Passenger side looks good. No issues at all. There's your blind spot monitoring mirror there, or camera. Okay, and we'll show you that in a second. It is equipped with the sunroof as well. Alright, the exterior of this vehicle is in great shape. Alright, it is a certified unit. Let's go ahead and check out the inside and the interior. Door panel looks good. It's got memory seating. Gray leather driver's seat. It's a power driver's seat. Leather's in good shape. Passenger seat looks good. Pan out here and let you see the sunroof. And it does come with 2 key fobs as well. Lay these out for you. Alright, heated seats. It is an automatic. Got your power outlet, USB and auxiliary plugs down there. Push button start. Dual climate control. CD player, AM FM stereo. It's got your rear camera. Alright, and we'll show you, it'll be right there. I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls. Alright, lane departure warning there. And your blind spot monitoring button there, and I'll show you that in a second. Go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 45,140 miles. Alright, I want to go ahead and engage the rear camera for you as well. Alright, that works good. And the blind spot monitoring button. To engage, all you do is press the button. Alright, and it shows you your blind spot. Really cool safety feature that Honda offers. Alright, we've had the air conditioner going now for about 10 minutes. Everything blowing nice and cold. No issues there. Let's go ahead and step out. We'll check out the back seat. Leather back here looks good. No problem at all. Carpet's in good shape as well. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view, the layout of the front and the dash. Alright, I'm going to step out here, show you the trunk space and storage. Alright, carpet looks good. Got your cargo net there. Go ahead and step to the side so you can get the depth. Okay, plenty of storage back there. I'm going to give you one more shot of the back seat from this side. And the passenger seat. You can check out your wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Almost a brand new set of tires. You can see the depth there. Plenty of tread there. Alright, once again guys, just to recap, it's a 2013 Honda Accord EXL, 45,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit, it's a clean Carfax, it's in really good shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.